Hello, welcome back to another artifacts video. And this one we're going to look at custom shadows. First, I just want to look at light transmission though. So you'll notice that this light, which is in front here, and we've got the ship's wheel, and then we have onto the wall. If we actually go around and take a look at the back around here, it's not going through, right? And that is to do with light transmission. So what it essentially means, right, is if we went to this layer here, there's obviously going to be a bunch of light on that layer. So if we then decided to change the light transmission value here, you can see it's currently at 0%. We're going to do that. And you'll see, and we actually stay around the back, you can see how it goes through the back. Okay, so how do we get custom shadows then? So obviously you can change things with the shadow, you can make it sort of further away. But what do we want? Just a completely like customized shadow. Well, what you want to do then in that situation is you need to copy the layer, right? So you've got two of them. So that will do that. We'll copy and paste this one. Now you need to do some specific settings for each one. So for the top layer, all we really want to see is the layer. So I'm just going to hide this bottom one here for a second. So for this one, if we take a look at the settings, we're going to do cast shadows off. Okay, so now we just have our image of the ship's wheel. Okay, let's turn the layer with just the picture of the wheel off now. And now we're going to go to layer 4. And you can see currently we have cast shadows on. If you turn it to only, you can see now we've just got the shadow. We don't have the actual picture of it. Okay, I've chosen this effect, the tritone effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to increase our light transmission to 100. And we're just going to do a few subtle changes. So I'm just going to bring this up a bit. And with the shadows, we can just do the same thing. Okay, so something like that perhaps. And then it's simply a case of turning all the layers on.